A thousand little moments growing into something new. Every glance, every promise makes me fall for you. Every sunrise, every goodbye brings us closer than before. Love was never loud at all, it whispered through it all. One day we'll look back and smile at photographs we almost missed. Not because the days were perfect, but because we shared them. Every cup of coffee, every walk in the rain, every little memory still calls your name. A thousand little